Ladies and gentlemen, observe to your right. Elements of the Armored Training Battalion of the 116th Cavalry Brigade combat team as they initiate an attack on an enemy formation in front of you. These soldiers are highly trained combat veterans who have served in many theaters of war. Armed with a 120mm smoothbore cannon, a Mod Deuce 50 caliber machine gun, and two M240 coaxial machine guns, the M1 Abrams is a force to be reckoned with on the battlefield. Where U-860 Blackhawks insert soldiers on the battlefield utilizing precision, coordination, and timing. This meticulously planned operation allows soldiers to confront our adversaries anytime, anywhere.
For a total of 19,000 pounds of ordnance on the enemy's position.
Show of force west to east. Skull copies. Troops in contact. Give you a low show of force west to east with strike flight. Vandal copies approved.
Flight are rejoining. They will be approaching from the south as you see the UH-60s in front of you. This is a great opportunity to get your cameras out for a spectacular